What is difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM? We must understand the differences between JDK, JRE, and JVM before proceeding further to Java. See the brief overview of JVM here. If you want to get the detailed knowledge of Java Virtual Machine, move to the next page. Firstly, let's see the differences between the JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, is an abstract machine. It is called a virtual machine because it doesn't physically exist. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. It can also run those programs which are written in other languages and compiled to Java bytecode. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM, JRE, and JDK are platform dependent because the configuration of each OS is different from each other. However, Java is platform independent. There are three notions of the JVM: specification, implementation, and instance. What is JVM? It is a specification where working of Java Virtual Machine is specified, but implementation provider is independent to choose the algorithm. Its implementation has been provided by Oracle and other companies. Its implementation is known as JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Runtime instance: whenever you write Java command on the command prompt to run the Java class, an instance of JVM is created. What it does: the JVM performs following operation: loads code, verifies code, executes code, provides runtime environment. JVM provides definitions for the memory area, class file format, register set, garbage collected heap, fatal error reporting, etc. JVM architecture. Let's understand the internal architecture of JVM. It contains class loader, memory area, execution engine, etc. 1. Class loader. Class loader is a subsystem of JVM which is used to load class files. Whenever we run the Java program, it is loaded first by the class loader. There are three built-in class loaders in Java. Bootstrap class loader. This is the first class loader, which is the superclass of extension class loader. It loads the rt.jar file which contains all class files of Java Standard Edition like Java Lang package classes, Java.NET package classes, Java util package classes, Java.io package classes, Java.sql package classes, etc. Extension class loader. This is the child class loader of Bootstrap and parent class loader of System class loader. It loads the jar files located inside $java_home, JRE, lib, x directory. System, application class loader. This is the child class loader of extension class loader. It loads the class files from ClassPath. By default, ClassPath is set to current directory. You can change the class path using cp or ClassPath switch. It is also known as application class loader. 2. Class, method, area. Class, method, area stores per class structures such as the runtime constant pool, field and method data, the code for methods. 3. Heap. It is the runtime data area in which objects are allocated. 4. Stack. Java stack stores frames. It holds local variables and partial results, and plays a part in method invocation and return. Each thread has a private JVM stack, created at the same time as thread. A new frame is created each time a method is invoked. A frame is destroyed when its method invocation completes. 5. Program counter register. PC, program counter, register contains the address of the Java Virtual Machine instruction currently being executed. 6. Native method stack. It contains all the native methods used in the application. 7. Execution engine. It contains a virtual processor, interpreter, read bytecode stream, then execute the instructions. Just in time, JIT, compiler. It is used to improve the performance. JIT compiles parts of the bytecode that have similar functionality at the same time, and hence reduces the amount of time needed for compilation. Here, the term compiler refers to a translator from the instruction set of a Java Virtual Machine, JVM, to the instruction set of a specific CPU. 8. Java Native Interface. Java Native Interface, JNI, is a framework which provides an interface to communicate with another application written in another language like C, C++, assembly, etc. Java uses JNI framework to send output to the console or interact with OS libraries. JRE. JRE is an acronym for Java Runtime Environment. It is also written as Java RTE. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. It is used to provide the runtime environment. It is the implementation of JVM. It physically exists. It contains a set of libraries plus other files that JVM uses at runtime. The implementation of JVM is also actively released by other companies besides Sun Microsystems. JDK. JDK is an acronym for Java Development Kit. The Java Development Kit, JDK, is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications and applets. It physically exists. It contains JRE plus development tools. JDK is an implementation of any one of the below given Java platforms released by Oracle Corporation. Standard Edition Java Platform, Enterprise Edition Java Platform, Micro Edition Java Platform. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine, JVM, and a few other resources such as an interpreter, loader, Java, a compiler, javac, an archiver, jar, a documentation generator, javadoc, etc. To complete the development of a Java application,